Welcome to Atlantic City.
The stakes are always high on the casino floor, but if you can win big, you can make it rain at Ocean Casino Resort. We had an amazing time gambling, feasting, and laying poolside at this resort right on the Atlantic City Boardwalk.
It is golden hour and we've just checked into the gorgeous Ocean Casino Resort. I'm here for 2 nights in this stunning ocean view suite. Whoa. Oh my God. This is gorgeous. Look at this view. This corner. We've got the light coming in. The bedroom. The nice big TV also. We've got a desk. We've got those views again. This giant bathroom. Huge double sinks, a giant shower with a seat, toilet, and a bathtub. Guys, I love hotel showers, but this is next level. It has dual rainfall and regular shower head at the same time. So comfy. Oh, this is a closet and more importantly, second toilet. They gave me this cute little welcome bag with some local milk chocolate graham crackers, sunscreen, and a towel, and a tumbler. And the regular hotel rooms also have that gorgeous view and they're super spacious. I'm so excited to show you what you can do in 2 days in Atlantic City and here at Ocean Casino Resort. So stay tuned. We've just checked in and now we're heading to dinner at Dolce Mare. See you there. We had a family-style feast at Dolce Mare, their gorgeous Italian restaurant with views of the beach. Don't miss the seafood risotto that's filled to the brim with scallops, shrimp, squid, and clams. My dad finished the entire plate, even after we all shared a delicious spread of beef carpaccio, beet salad, tuna tartare, prosciutto with burrata, bolognese, and lobster ravioli. Don't forget to use the house focaccia to soak up all the sauces and save room for the tiramisu for dessert. We are here at Eclipse indoor-outdoor pool. You can see it is just stunning. It overlooks the ocean and we're having a grand old time. Yeah, exactly. Guys, I am so excited to be back in Jersey because I can get my Taylor ham, egg and cheese. Okay.
Yeah, you just pass out. No, right?
We basically ordered the American Chinese food we can't get in Hong Kong. So we got that Peking pork chop and it looks incredible. Guys, I'm so excited for honey walnut shrimp.
It's so good.
Guys, the honey walnut shrimp is so good. We got a second order. Oh, yes. And we got another seafood pan fried moon roll. But guys, look at how crispy it is.
Yeah.
Ooh. General Tso's.
Look.
Ooh, look at that egg.
You can say hi. It's up to you. It's up to you.
Wow, it's so nice out here. Just rocking and enjoying the views. Private cabanas. Take these stairs down to the skywalk. So one of the great parts about staying at Ocean Casino Resort is that you are right on the boardwalk. So you can walk off all the food, you can check out everything they have to offer. Wow, look at these Parker House rolls. Wow.
The casino floor is packed with slot machines and tables for craps, roulette, and more, and they also have a big sports book since sports betting is legal in New Jersey. There's also a food court to satisfy cravings late into the night. We had a great stay at Ocean Casino Resort, so definitely check them out for a getaway before the weather gets cold.